This is a motor that the owner's been playing with the switches and it wasn't doing right. He's replaced the key switch twice, and it wouldn't fire. And so we checked it, and sure enough, it wasn't firing. So we disconnected the wiring harness that goes all the way to the front of the motor and turned it over manually, and it wouldn't fire. So we disconnected this after a lot of looking and everything. We could disconnect this one kill wire, and that kill wire goes to around underneath there to this bottom CDM. And so with it disconnected and turn it over, it's firing on all three. But once you connect it back up the way it's supposed to be connected up, we don't have any fire. So that bottom wire that goes from right here underneath wherever and comes out underneath there is a grounded circuit. So we're gonna have to just pull parts off until we find out the wire from right there to right there is grounded to keep it from running. And in the meantime, probably that grounding it out took the stator out. So we went ahead and had to replace the stator because we had no output to begin with on the stator.